Improve security and productivity with Windows Autopatch. Welcome to M365 Professional. You have limited resources to do even the basic work. You're not alone. 62% of decision makers say their staff doesn't spend enough time on strategic tasks. Much of their time goes to managing update processes, and time spent updating is time not spent innovating. So enroll your devices in Windows Autopatch. Give your team back the time normally spent managing update processes so they can work on those strategic tasks. You can get the best of both worlds: security and productivity. Because Windows Autopatch helps to automate the update process, security hygiene can become regular and consistent at the same time. Your staff has more time to add value to the business. Plan A: Zero Trust Architecture course. Invest time in your team's IT skills. You've bet. Learn how Windows Autopatch can help your team innovate more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.